Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where File Explorer search is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's the thing. Before anything else, open File Explorer search and then go to this PC and try searching it here. If you like, for example, just try searching for files here. Usually what happens is that if it is a heavy file, it needs time. So is there a rotating circle here? If that is the case, then we can wait. The next solution after this would be a little different. After this, checking this File Explorer search thing, you can search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. If File Explorer is active, you will notice it here, or else you will definitely notice it in the list of background processes. Okay, so for the sake of this example, I will scroll down, I will right click and then we'll select restart. The screen will flicker for a while and after 10 to 15 seconds it will be back to normal. Or the best thing is just right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.